Milan, do you like camping?
I love camping.
Okay.
Is that it?
Yo, Milan, do you like camping?
Why do you keep asking me this, bro? Yes, I like camping.
Milan, do you like camping? Milan.
I like camping.
Okay. Hey, yo, Milan, wait, hold on. You like camping, bro? Do
I
you
love
like
camping. I love camping.
That's
oh my
good
god.
Wait, Milan. Milan.
Yeah.
Do you like camping?
Oh my god, Harry.
Do you like camping?
Yes. I love it.
Okay. Yo, Milan. Do you like do you like camping, bro?
Yes.
Okay, cool. No. Yo, bro. Do you like camping?
I love camping.
Awesome. Yo, Milan. Bro, do you like camping? Awesome.
I'm ready to lie.
What?
You get blinded by Maggie's flashlights.
What?
God damn it, dude.
Bro, do you like camping?
I'm like ready to say no, but yes, I love camping.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Alright.
Really?
Milan.
Huh?
Do you like camping?
Oh wait, it's you. Oh my god. Yes, I love camping. It's getting more frequent now. I wonder if something's gonna happen. Why are you still videoing? Turn it off. Come on. It's still going.
Yo, Milan. You like camping, bro?
Now it's during manual labor. I love camping. I like it. Why are you still videoing?
Hey, yo, Milan. You like camping?
I like camping. Oh my god. Oh, what are you doing?
Hey, yo, Milan. You like camping, bro?
Yes.
Alright.
Please don't tell me you got that on video.
Milan, do you like camping?
I love camping. Thanks, Harry. No, let me see.
No! I'm doing the time I'm getting.
Why are you so
These don't take 6 minutes, Adam.
I was in there for like 10.
Well, you're,
Watch this.
you have no moral.
Why do you keep asking me that?
I know,
Why do you keep asking me that, Harry?
Milan.
What?
Do you like camping?
I love camping. Let's stay.
Okay.
No, that spiral's tight. Harry,
Milan,
No, you know what quarterback I
do you like camping?
Did you see that?
No.
Do you like camping?
I love camping.
Or to be at least okay.
No, do you like camping?
If DJ Moore's okay this week, I can let him.
Yes. There's no more camping though. We're done. We're going home.
Milan.
Yeah.
Milan, do you like camping?
Yes.
Okay. Milan.
What?
Do you like camping, bro?
I love camping. We're done now though.
Okay.
Bro, what? Why? We're at Oakwood now, bro.
What?
Bro, why are you videoing me? Are you serious right now?
That was the last pick in the draft. Yeah, which is crazy because he's actually good. But he's not better than DeJounte, and then he is good.
What?